Hi guys, it's the holidays. Somebody sends you a gorgeous amaryllis plant. So now what? Well, here's some tips to help you with this beautiful flower. First of all, if it's not blooming and you want that stem to stay short because it will get really, really high, if you put it, say, on the kitchen table, it's going to go and race wherever the light is, and that stem's going to get bigger and bigger and topple over the plant. Put it in a sunny window, give it a little bit of water, and once it blooms, then you can water it more. That will help keep it a little bit shorter so it doesn't get so tall. If it is a flower that you want to keep and hang upside down, some people do that. You turn it upside down, put a big ribbon on it, and put it over your dining room table or in a window. And you can actually water it from the top because the stem is hollow. Now, with that, you do have to check to make sure that no one put pinholes in the very top of it to so the water leaks out, because sometimes that happens at the florist. So those are just a couple of my quick tips on this gorgeous flower. Excuse me, get a cough. And I hope this helps you in your care of your amaryllis. God bless, and remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.